ARK's Cathie Wood on Nvidia, Tesla, Coinbase, and Elon Musk at Barron's. Cathie Wood is a well-known American investor who's made a big splash in the investment world with her firm, ARK Invest, managing a hefty $50 billion. Her focus? Disruptive innovation. She kicked off her career as a tech stock analyst at Alliance Bernstein and then took a bold step in 2014 by launching ARK Invest. Wood firmly believes that the key to long-term investment success lies in embracing disruptive innovation. One of her star products is the ARK Innovation ETF, which has been nothing short of a sensation. Since its inception in 2014, it's delivered a remarkable return, surpassing the performance of the S&P 500 by over 400%. Her investment strategy is all about recognizing that our world is undergoing rapid technological transformations, opening up fresh opportunities for investors. She's not afraid to bet on companies leading the charge in these changes. Think Tesla, SpaceX, and Coinbase. Some folks criticize her for her daring investment style and her willingness to take risks, but others applaud her sharp insights and knack for spotting emerging trends. However, it's important to note that Wood's funds have faced some challenges lately. As investors have grown more cautious about disruptive technologies, her funds haven't kept pace with the broader market. Despite this, she remains unwaveringly optimistic about the long-term potential of these technologies and is confident that her funds will bounce back. Now, let's dive into Wood's thoughts on some specific entities such as Nvidia, Tesla, Coinbase, and Elon Musk. Starting with Nvidia. Cathie Wood, a prominent investor, sees a bright future for Nvidia, and here's why. Nvidia is a major player in providing powerful graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are crucial for various AI applications. These applications are in high demand across industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and self-driving cars. The demand for AI is only expected to increase, and Nvidia is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. They've consistently pushed the boundaries with innovation and tailored their products for the AI market. What adds to Nvidia's appeal is its skilled and experienced management team. Wood believes that the market hasn't fully recognized Nvidia's true value, setting a target price of $800, almost double its current value. Recent data supports her optimism, with Nvidia showing robust revenue and earnings per share growth. Furthermore, the company's order backlog is at an all-time high, and it's gaining a strong foothold in the AI market. Nvidia isn't stopping there. It's expanding into emerging markets like self-driving cars and the metaverse. These moves broaden its horizons and investment potential. However, it's essential to note that investing in Nvidia carries some risks. The stock market can be quite volatile, and there's no guarantee that Nvidia will maintain its current growth rate. Additionally, the AI market's still in its early stages, so it's uncertain if Nvidia can sustain its dominant position. While there are risks involved, the evidence strongly suggests that Nvidia holds significant potential as a robust investment. Its strengths, continuous innovation, and growth opportunities in various industries make it an exciting prospect for investors like Cathie Wood. Now for Tesla. Cathie Wood holds an optimistic outlook for Tesla for several compelling reasons. Tesla stands as the world's foremost electric vehicle manufacturer, commanding the largest market share in the global EV market. Furthermore, the company is rapidly expanding its production capabilities to meet the surging demand for electric vehicles. The global appetite for EVs is escalating at an astonishing price, projected to surge from 10 million units in 2022 to a staggering 32 million units by 2028. Tesla's robust product portfolio, featuring models like the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X, positions it as a versatile player in the EV market. Tesla's ongoing development of new EVs, including the highly anticipated Cybertruck and the innovative Semi, further strengthens its foothold in this burgeoning industry. Beyond its product offerings, Tesla boasts a formidable brand presence. It ranks among the most esteemed and admired brands globally, fostering a dedicated and loyal customer base. The company is also widely acknowledged as a pioneering force in technological innovation within the automotive sector. Backing Tesla's promising prospects is a capable and seasoned management team with a track record of delivering success. Wood is convinced that Tesla is undervalued, harboring an ambitious price target of $2,000 for Tesla stock, which is approximately 5 times its current market value. Recent data lends credence to Wood's investment thesis. Tesla's financial performance has been remarkable, with an impressive 87% revenue growth and a remarkable 138% increase in earnings per share in the most recent quarter. Coinbase. Cathie Wood holds a bullish stance on Coinbase for several compelling reasons. As the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the United States, Coinbase commands the largest market share in the country's burgeoning cryptocurrency market. Moreover, Coinbase is actively expanding its operations into other countries, positioning itself as a global player in the cryptocurrency space. Fueling Woods' optimism is the rapid growth of the cryptocurrency market on the global scale. Predictions indicate that this market is poised to surge from $2 trillion in 2022 to a staggering $20 trillion by 2025, presenting significant growth potential for Coinbase. An essential facet of Coinbase's appeal is its status as a regulated exchange, subject to government oversight. This regulatory compliance enhances its attractiveness as an investment option, particularly for institutional investors seeking a secure and compliant platform. Coinbase's management team's another pillar of strength, boasting extensive experience and a track record of success in navigating the complex and evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Wood firmly believes that Coinbase is undervalued, setting a bold price target of $1,000 for Coinbase stock, nearly double its current market value. Recent financial data adds weight to Wood's investment thesis. Coinbase reported a robust 56% growth in revenue and an impressive 82% increase in earnings per share in the most recent quarter. The platform's user base increased substantially with its growth, as 8.8 million new users were there in the same period. Coinbase is actively diversifying its product offerings, delving into areas like staking and non-fungible token trading, expanding its appeal to a broader spectrum of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Now Elon Musk. Cathie Wood holds Elon Musk in incredibly high esteem, viewing him as an exceptionally innovative and visionary entrepreneur who has a history of creating groundbreaking success stories with companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Wood firmly believes that Musk has the potential to bring about substantial and positive changes to the world, and she is genuinely excited about what he will accomplish in the future. She has openly voiced her admiration for Musk, portraying him as a transformative figure who is reshaping the world and emphasizing his global significance as one of the most influential individuals. Wood's trust in Musk extends to her significant investments in his companies, Tesla and SpaceX. She holds a very optimistic outlook for these firms, even suggesting that they could eventually grow into trillion-dollar businesses. Recent developments reinforce her views. Under Musk's leadership, Tesla has surged ahead to become the world's foremost electric vehicle manufacturer and is on track to potentially become the most valuable automaker globally. Meanwhile, SpaceX, Musk's private space exploration venture, is making remarkable progress with the development of the Starship, a reusable rocket that could revolutionize space travel. So, what are your views on all of these? Please let us know in the comment section below. And if you like today's video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family. Hey, if you want to watch more videos like this, also make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so you're always updated when we have new uploads for you. Happy investing, and thanks for watching.